Hey, Curious Dude here with a Van Gogh update. So yeah, we're ready to try this with the first fire with the engine and transmission installed. So let's have a quick tour of what we've done. There we go. There's the beast. So that's the fresh 1800 engine, which you've seen in other videos, all ready and to go. Only thing missing here is the engine seal, the foam, which I will get to once I've done a short test drive. Yeah, surprised, but everything works, minus I think one brake light we think may not be working. So we'll get that rectified. A little bit of a fuel leak underneath, which I'm going to address here right away, but making lots of progress and excited to see what happens. Okay, fantastic. As you just saw, Van Gogh drove, albeit on jack stands. So here we go. We're gonna make an attempt on our first ever voyage of Van Gogh since I think it was 1997, I believe is the last time it's been on the road under its own power. Let's check it out. So there's definitely something, there's definitely something off with the brakes. Can't quite figure it out. But yeah, I mean, it drove down here on its own, so that's amazing. All right, one choke was hanging up on fast idle on the messy side, but I just manually adjusted it and it came right down. I mean, I can hear a slight exhaust leak down there, but otherwise running good. That's all German original stuff too. Amazing, actually. So yeah, so something a little goofy with the brakes. I'll have to think about that, but yeah, we'll take it around the block for one ride and hopefully we make it back in one piece. The brakes are sort of sticking. So like when I put it down, it makes that noise, then the pedal's stuck there. And then it slowly is coming back. So when I put it on, when I hold it down, it'll go clunk and it'll stick there, especially when it's up to, when there's RPM, like when it's pulling vacuum. So it's stuck there. The brakes are stuck on. So, and to release them, I had to tap it again. That makes no sense, but I'm not exactly sure about how to drive it if the brakes don't come off, how to get around the block or not. I don't know.
Maybe you put it back in the garage and
Yeah.
The master part.
I can deal with, what I can't deal with is inconsistent brakes. I'm just going to start it again and see if it's just going to keep doing it or not, or what it's doing here. So let's do this. This definitely has to do with the power. So now, see they're stuck. Oh, there, it came off that time. Came off that time. Came off that time. Just slow. It is slowly coming off, right? I can see the pedal coming up, but I have to kind of give it a little tap. And then, so the brakes are actually stuck on right now. And is the pedal moving? Yeah, there it is. You can see the car move. I don't know. We can probably make it around the block. We'll just go real easy, like. And then coming back, I'll use lots of brake. We'll just give it first gear. Sure. I wouldn't even use brakes if I don't need to. Second gear. Good, it goes into second gear. Oh, well, that's something right there. Bus has not been moving for a long time. There we go. Well, nobody got hurt. We're good. Well, there we go. Maiden voyage of Van Gogh 2023. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for much more updates.